Let's try the song, guys, by Tom Jones. Kung makabalo ba ta, guys? Ba't ayaw, guys? It's wonderful sound. As I write this letter, my heart beating much too fast for my feet. So I'll be in your arms again. I'll be with you to taste all the sweet, sweet kisses once more. Darling, it's what I'm longing for. But most of all, I just wanna hear that wonderful sound. I love you. It brings sweet music to my heart. It's been so long since I heard that sound, wonderful sound. I need you, my love, wherever be with her. I need restoring. These thoughts have been storing up in my mind. When I get home, what will I find? Tell me, and well, your love be tender and strong. I've been away from you so long. So when I'm home, I just wanna hear the wonderful sound. I love you. It brings sweet music to my heart. It's been so long since I heard that sound, that wonderful sound. I need you, my love, wherever be with her. Wherever be with her. Thank you so much, guys. So yun, by Tom Jones. Thank you guys for watching. Bye.